Affordable, eco-friendly materials for DIY sustainable homes. Tired of sky-high building costs and feeling guilty about your environmental impact? You're in the right place. We are diving into the world of affordable, eco-friendly materials that will let you build your dream sustainable home. Reclaimed wood is a fantastic option. Think old barns, deconstructed buildings, or even discarded pallets. It's full of character and reduces the demand for newly harvested timber. Sourcing reclaimed wood can be surprisingly affordable. Check local salvage yards, demolition sites, with permission, of course, and online marketplaces. You might be surprised at the treasures you find. Using reclaimed wood adds a unique, rustic charm to your home. Plus, you're actively participating in reducing waste and preserving forests. It's a win-win. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on earth. This makes it an incredibly sustainable and readily available resource. It's strong, lightweight, and versatile. Bamboo can be used for flooring, walls, furniture, and even structural elements. Its natural beauty adds a touch of elegance to any space. Plus, it's naturally resistant to pests and moisture. Look for sustainably harvested bamboo products. This ensures that the bamboo is sourced responsibly and doesn't contribute to deforestation. Straw bales are an incredibly affordable and eco-friendly building material. They offer excellent insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Straw bale construction is relatively simple. Bales are stacked like bricks and then plastered with clay or lime. This creates a thick, breathable wall that regulates temperature and humidity. Sourcing straw bales locally is key to minimizing transportation costs and environmental impact. Connect with local farmers and agricultural suppliers. Earth bags are exactly what they sound like, bags filled with earth. They're a super affordable and accessible building material, especially if you have access to local soil. Earth bag construction involves filling polypropylene bags with soil and compacting them. These bags are then stacked and tamped to create strong, durable walls. This method is particularly well suited for building small structures, domes, and even entire homes. It's a great option for off-grid living and DIY enthusiasts. Recycled plastic is increasingly being used to create innovative building materials. Think plastic lumber, roofing tiles, and even insulation. Using recycled plastic helps divert waste from landfills and reduces the demand for virgin plastic production. It's a great way to close the loop and contribute to a circular economy. Look for products made from 100% recycled plastic. This ensures that you're getting the most sustainable option available. Building a sustainable home doesn't have to be expensive. By embracing these affordable, eco-friendly materials, you can create a beautiful, healthy, and environmentally responsible living space. Now it's your turn. Head down to the comments and tell us which of these materials you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more DIY and sustainable building tips. We also have a detailed guide on sourcing these materials linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Let's build a greener future, one DIY project at a time.